This is an NBC Connecticut Kids Connection digital exclusive. Proudly brought to you by ACES.
Hi boys and girls, it's First Alert meteorologist Caitlin McGrath. And today we're going to do a really cool experiment that teaches us all about the water cycle. Now for this experiment you'll need an adult to help you handle some really hot water. I boiled this water and then I let it sit and cool for just a few minutes. A glass jar or a vase, a plate, and a cup of ice. So first thing we're going to do is carefully take our hot water and pour it inside our glass about a third of the way full. And then you're quickly going to take your plate and put it on top of your glass. Now what this is doing is warming up the air inside our glass just like the atmosphere outside warms up. So we're going to let this sit for just a few minutes to get nice and toasty. Next, you're going to take your cup of ice and carefully place it on top of your glass. Now what happens next is that warm, moist air inside the glass is going to rise because it's less dense than cold air, and we're creating that cold air with the ice. Now eventually, and this takes a few minutes so you have to be patient, but eventually those water droplets are going to condense just like raindrops do inside of a cloud. Eventually they'll become so heavy that they can't stay in the cloud any longer and they'll fall right down the side of our glass. If you try this experiment at home, we would love to see your photos. And remember, if you ever have a weather question, just take a video of yourself asking the question with the help of a parent, include your name, age, and town you live in, and send it to share it at NBCConnecticut.com.
Hi kids, and welcome back to All Around Connecticut. I'm Mike Heideck. Today we're talking about one of the most incredible things man has ever engineered, the bridge. Bridges allow cars and trucks to pass over water and reach their destinations more quickly. Connecticut has bridges all across the state. Today, we'll be focusing on one of them, the Aragoni Bridge in Middletown. This massive steel structure connects Middletown to Portland. When it opened back in 1938, the Aragoni Bridge was the longest of any kind in all of New England. Until the bridge was built, many people used a ferry to get across the Connecticut River. Ferries ran as far back as 1726, and for nearly 100 years were the only way people were able to reach the other side of the river. Nowadays, the bridge is incredibly active and important to people across Connecticut. Nearly 34,000 cars and trucks cross over the Connecticut River using the Aragoni Bridge every single day. So the next time you drive through Middletown, keep your eyes peeled. You may catch a glimpse of one of the coolest structures in all of Connecticut, the Aragoni Bridge. Thanks for joining us for another episode of All Around Connecticut. We'll see you next time to show you more awesome places you can visit in our incredible state.
Hola kids, I'm Grace Gomez from Telemundo, Connecticut, and I'm going to teach you Spanish words on Kids Connection. The Spanish word for today is verano, which means summer. Now say it with me, verano. Let me hear it. Okay, that's very good. Until next time, adios, ciao.
Here at Kids Connection, we love to see your pictures and videos. Here are our friends, Jacqueline and Josephine. Isn't their hand art beautiful? Great job, girls! After watching Kids Connection, Easton learned how to make pigs in a blanket. Don't they look delicious? And what do you want to be when you grow up? Ella shared her plans with us.
Hi, I'm Ella. When I grow up, I want to work for NASA or be a comedian.
We know you'll be a great success, Ella. If you'd like to be featured on Kids Connection, have an adult send a video or photo to share it at NBCConnecticut.com. Thank you for watching this NBC Connecticut Kids Connection digital exclusive. Make sure to come back each week for all new videos. Proudly brought to you by ACES.